Haze can happen suddenly due to forest fires or open burning in surrounding areas. It occurs when fine smoke particles build up in the air and spread across wide regions. As these particles travel with wind and weather conditions, they can move into industrial and workplace areas. Once haze reaches a factory, it becomes an environmental safety concern that needs to be managed properly. To manage these risks, it's important to first understand how haze reaches the factory environment. Haze is caused by smoke and fine particles released into the air from large-scale burning and pollution sources. These particles can travel long distances and spread across industrial zones. Haze can enter factories through open doors, loading bays, ventilation systems, and air intake points. Without proper filtration, polluted air can quickly reduce indoor air quality. When haze affects the factory environment, it can create several safety and health hazards. First, irritation and breathing discomfort. Haze can cause coughing, sore throat, eye irritation, headaches, and fatigue during prolonged exposure. Second, higher risk for vulnerable individuals. People with asthma, allergies, or respiratory conditions may experience more severe symptoms. Also, reduced visibility leading to accidents. Poor visibility increases the risk of incidents involving vehicles, forklifts, and machinery. Finally, reduced concentration and work performance. Discomfort caused by haze can affect focus and increase the likelihood of mistakes. Recognizing the presence of haze is only the first step. The next step is responding quickly and correctly. First, monitor air quality conditions closely. Early detection allows timely action before conditions worsen. Second, inform workers clearly and promptly. Workers should understand the situation and the precautions they need to take. Also, reduce outdoor and high-exposure activities. Non-essential outdoor work should be limited during haze conditions. Finally, observe health symptoms and respond early. Anyone experiencing breathing difficulty or discomfort should be attended to promptly. Along with immediate response, longer-term control measures help reduce the impact of haze. First, limit the entry of polluted air into the factory. Manage doors, loading bays, and air intake points during haze periods. Second, improve and maintain indoor air quality systems. Ensure ventilation and air filters are clean, functional, and effective. Also, provide suitable respiratory protection when necessary. Appropriate masks such as N95 respirators should be used when air quality becomes unhealthy. Finally, follow a clear haze action plan. Workers should know procedures, responsibilities, and reporting channels during haze situations. Haze may come from outside, but its effects can be felt throughout the factory. By understanding how haze enters the workplace and taking timely action, factories can protect health, safety, and operations. Preparedness and cooperation are key to maintaining a safe working environment during haze conditions.